Mostly we hear politicians saying that we cannot stand the insult of parliament. So let's see what this term means. This term refers to a behavior or action by an individual or a group of person that offends or disrespects the dignity and the authority of the parliament, its member or its proceedings. Action that constitute any insult of parliament include speech, physical obstruction, or any conduct intended to demean or undermine the institution of parliament. Examples of insults of parliament can be include yelling, calling names, throwing objects, or engaging in physical interactions while in the parliament chamber, or making defamatory remarks, spreading false information or accusation, or engaging in acts of corruption or unethical behavior. The scope of insult of parliament may vary from one jurisdiction to another, but generally it regarded as a serious offence against the dignity of the institution of the parliament. The democratic process. The purpose of the law against insult of parliament is to ensure the institution is protected from being undermined, and to promote the respect for parliamentary proceeding, and to maintain public confidence in the integrity of the parliament. The punishment for insulting parliament can include suspension or expulsion from the parliament depending upon the severity of the and the frequency of the offence. In some jurisdictions, the insult of parliament can be considered a criminal offence, and offenders can be fined or imposed. The precise punishment for insult of parliament may depend upon the specific laws and the rules of the relevant jurisdiction.